Are you tired of seeing the same Windows boot logo every time you start your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to easily change it to your own custom design using HackBGRT. First, open your browser and search for HackBGRT. Then download the zip file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and extract the file. Now, open your customized logo using Paint. Click on File, then Save As, and choose BMP format. When saving, navigate to the extracted HackBGRT folder. Select the file named Splash. Then click Save and choose Replace when prompted. Next, go back to the HackBGRT folder and run the setup file as administrator. A command prompt window will appear. Simply press the letter I on your keyboard. This will automatically open Paint with your customized logo. Just close Paint to complete the installation. Finally, restart your PC to see your new customized boot logo in action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. And one more thing, this method works on UEFI systems only.